Okay, how to get at the spark plugs on a Honda Odyssey. This is a 2002 3.5. There's a bolt there, there, and there. So 4. And the whole thing just comes off. Now we need to get at these coils in the bottom there. There's 1, 2, 3. Looks like an Allen head. One, 2, 3. Yeah, it's a sideways 6-cylinder. 1, 2, 3. What's going on here? Yeah, 6. Okay. Okay, flathead there, turn it counterclockwise, and this thing pops off. Alright, got that loose. Let's see. Yep. Okay, there's your coil packs. Here's the spark plug that came out of it. It's a 7FR5 FGP NGK. Looks pretty nice.